I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to switch off your phone. Just tap on power key and hold it for about 2 seconds, maybe 3, and slide it down to power off. Once it's off, you have to enter the recovery mode and just tap on power key and volume down key all together and hold them until you see OPPO's logo. That's it. And within a few seconds you will be in recovery mode. And now in this mode you can navigate either by using volume down and volume up keys and then selecting by power key, or you can simply use your finger and tap on each option. So in order to hard reset your device, select wipe data. Now you have to enter the verification code. So it's 9604, and now you should pick format data. You have to confirm your decision because this operation cannot be undone and all data partition will be erased. So just tap on OK if you are sure. And now you have to be patient, your device will wipe all data. Now tap on OK and wait until your device will turn off, then turn on, so you'll be able to use your phone normally, just as always, but definitely a bit faster as it was formatted. And now you can set up your device from the scratch. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.